Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn about the letter K. This is uppercase K. This is uppercase K. This is lowercase k. This is lowercase k. Let's make the letter K sound. K says K. K says K. K says K. Now your turn.
K says K. K says K. K says
K. Good job. K is for kite. K. Kite. K is for kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. K is for key. K. Key. K is for kiwi. K. Kiwi. K is for king. K. King. K is for kettle. K. Kettle. K is for koala. K. Koala. Good job. Let's repeat the lesson. K. This is uppercase K. This is uppercase K. This is lowercase k. This is lowercase k. Let's make the letter K sound. K says K. K says K. K says K. Now your turn.
K says K. K says K. K says
K. Good job. K is for kite. K. Kite. K is for kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. K is for key. K. Key. K is for kiwi. K. Kiwi. K is for king. K. King. K is for kettle. K. Kettle. K is for koala. K. Koala. Good job.